High-performing improvement teams share clear characteristics: a shared goal, defined roles, mutual trust, and the psychological safety to challenge ideas without fear. They balance diverse skills, analytical, interpersonal, and operational, and hold each other accountable to deliverables. A charter sets the scope, a communication plan keeps stakeholders informed, and ground rules govern how the team works together. Consider a council team reducing housing repair response times. A data analyst measures performance. A scheduler knows the operational reality, and a tenant representative brings the customer voice. That mix, guided by a clear charter, is what delivers results. High performance is not accidental, it is designed. Yellow belts contribute by understanding their role, respecting others' expertise, and keeping the team focused on the problem the charter defined.